Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Synovus Bank Review My Usage Experience. Synovus Bank Review My Usage Experience offers a way to manage and understand your Synovus bank accounts and services. It's primarily aimed at existing Synovus Bank customers who want a clearer picture of their banking activity and account details. Key features likely include account summaries, transaction history, and potentially bill pay options accessible online. Their website provides details on specific features available. Synovus Bank's online banking platform aims for ease of use and straightforward navigation. Their website emphasizes the security of their system and the benefits of online account management, promising convenient access to your finances. They don't appear to advertise specific pricing structures beyond standard banking fees, which are generally transparent but vary depending on the account type. Availability is limited to Synovus Bank customers. You can check your eligibility by visiting the Synovus Bank website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Synovus Bank Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply logged in using my existing online banking credentials. The interface is clean and intuitive. I found it very straightforward to navigate to my account summary, view recent transactions, and even schedule a payment to a vendor. The performance was excellent. The site loaded quickly and responded immediately to my actions. I had a quick question about transferring funds between accounts, and their online help section answered it perfectly. I was really impressed by how easily I could download transaction history as a CSV file. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, but the desktop interface is so good, I didn't find it a major issue. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Synovus Bank's online banking platform. It's efficient, secure, and provides a clear picture of my financial activity. That's my overview of Synovus Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.